Hey guys, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another What's for Dinner. So today is Monday. I did not film yesterday because we had a lot of people over. So we had loaded potato soup on Sunday, but we will have it for leftovers sometime this week, I'm sure. So I will film that. But tonight we are having chicken spaghetti, as I would say. But I don't like the word spaghetti. I don't like the spaghetti noodles. So it's literally chicken spaghetti, but instead of spaghetti noodles, it's angel hair pasta, which I'm all for it. Some people are probably going to comment, be like, they're pretty much the same. No, they're not. Spaghetti's a lot bigger and angel hair is a little bit finer. But anyways, has rotel, cream of chicken, cream of mushroom, chicken, and salt, pepper, garlic, and it looks really, really yummy. First time trying to make this. Very proud of myself. It tastes really good. But anyway, so this is what we're going to have for dinner on Monday, and we will see you guys on Tuesday. Hey guys, it's Tuesday, and we are having a new recipe. It is actually supposed to be keto hot dog. It's kind of like pigs in a blanket, but I use Conecuh sausage instead. So the way that I made this is almond flour, 3/4 cup of almond flour, 2 eggs, Conecuh sausage, everything but the bagel seasoning, 2 ounces of cream cheese, and 2 cups of mozzarella cheese. And then you mix all that together and you bake it for 14 minutes. And this is what it looks like. And it looks really good. It smells really good because of the not Italian, but everything but the bagel seasoning. So we're going to try this. And yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, it's Thursday and the struggle is real. Came home late and I just wanted some McDonald's. So we got Mac Doubles, fries. Jared got a Mac Double, fries, and a hot and spicy. And yeah, so we're just going to pig out and then I'm going to go to bed because I have a long day tomorrow again. But this is what we're having for dinner. And yeah, see y'all tomorrow. Alright you guys, so it is Saturday, the last day of the What's for Dinner, and if you hear anything, Mama is in the background talking while I'm doing a video once again, but it's fine. So tonight Mama is down, so we are having adobo, which is pork adobo. It's a Filipino dish. We're having some steamed rice in the pressure cooker, and then we made some zucchini in the air fryer. Looks really good. This is what we have all the time when Mama comes down. See, everybody's happy.
Yes.
But anyway, so this is the last day. I hope y'all enjoy these videos. Let me know if y'all are going to try any of these videos, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.